What up guys, it's your boy K-Flow. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the transfer case oil on your Toyota Tacoma. Let's get this thing started. This video was brought to you by K-Flow's Crib, your #1 resource for Tacoma DIY projects. All the links to the tools and the materials used in this video will be in the description below. So the first thing we have to do is jack the front and the back of the truck so it's leveled. I'm using ramps in the front and jack stands in the back. Next, we find the transfer case, which is right behind the transmission and right in front of the rear drive shaft. We open up the fill plug with a 24mm socket. Next, we open up the drain plug with a 24mm socket and let out all the old oil. If you have a magnetic drain plug, make sure you clean that up real quick with a rag. Now, we can reinstall the 24mm drain plug and torque it down to 27 foot-pounds. We can now pump 1.1 quarts of 75W90 into the fill hole. We know we put in enough once it starts slowly overflowing that fill hole. Finally, we can reinstall the fill plug using a 24mm socket and tightening that down to 27 foot-pounds. And the job is now done. First and foremost guys, I want to thank each and every one of my subscribers for supporting the content creation of this channel. And as a token of my gratitude, this video is partnered with Amazon.com, and for a limited time, you guys can get 2 free audiobooks on me, as well as 30-day trial subscription on Amazon Prime. So make sure you check that out. The link will be in the description below. If you have any thoughts or suggestions for future videos, make sure you leave them in the comment section below. Or if you want to say hello, I can say hello back to you. I usually reply to each and every comment you guys leave. And as always, make sure you hit that like and the subscribe button. And until next time, peace out.